In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect steering wheel to the Crew Motorfast. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any steering wheel model that you have and use it inside of Crew Motorfast. So first, ensure compatibility. Make sure that the steering wheel that you are using is compatible with the platform where you are playing the Crew Motorfast. So the steering wheel has to be properly connected to your PC or a specific console. Depending on the model, it might not be compatible with one of those platforms, so ensure compatibility to start. Once this is done, just go ahead and connect the steering wheel to any platform. So usually this will be done by connecting the provided USB cable. Once it is properly plugged into any of the available ports on your platform, you will be able to use it. So, if you are on PC, I highly recommend downloading the latest version of the firmware and updating the drivers. So, you usually have to go over to the manufacturer's website. For example, if you have a Logitech steering wheel, go over to the Logitech website, download the latest version of their G-Hub software and update the drivers. This is going to differ for every single manufacturer, so just follow the instructions on your specific steering wheel's manual. Once you update the drivers through the software, launch the game, like I mentioned, and if you go over to the settings before starting, you will be able to find a section labeled Controls or Input. In there, you will be able to use the in-game controls customization options and change every single action to one steering wheel command. So you will be able to change everything, save those settings, and you will be able to customize the game according to your preferences. You don't have to repeat this every single time. As soon as the steering wheel is recognized, you choose it under the control settings and you customize the actions, you will be able to play the game using any steering wheel model. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect steering wheel to the Crew Motorfast. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.